Today, I'm proud to introduce ZERÅ, a new Layer 2 network designed to make it more enjoyable and rewarding to be on-chain. Despite the improvements in crypto UX, gas is still a significant barrier to adoption. Leveraging our team's experience building Zerion, we've decided to make gas a thing of the past. With ZERÅ, we'll make on-chain truly the next online. Now, after months of hard work, I'm excited to show you what we've prepared for you. Let's go.
On my action.
Let's see. Let me practice this a little.
Yeah. Yeah, just be careful of the
Yeah,
boom.
that's...
Yeah, exactly. But you did it perfectly now. I believe in you. You will be happy afterwards.
Okay.
Run, you're in the shot. Okay, nice and quiet and action.
Yes, gas costs have decreased significantly over the last year. The cost is less of a concern for us, but the complexity it creates for end users. Those of us who've been on chain for a while accepted this as reality. We don't think that this should be the case anymore. With ZERÅ, you would be able to mint and create, swap and stake without worrying about gas fees at all. As we have seen recently, with lower network fees, many chains are overrun with spam and bots. On ZERÅ, we're introducing a new way for dApps and creators to focus their effort on the real, honest users. And we call it on-chain DNA. Lastly, I am excited to tell you that by combining Gas's experience with on-chain DNA, we were able to bring transaction fees on our network for Zerion wallet users to zero. Alex, how do we achieve this?
Wait. And action. Action, yeah?
Zero action.
And action.
However, gas fees exist for a reason. By introducing a dynamic cost to every transaction, they naturally protect the networks from spam and malicious actors. With gas fees eliminated, we had to find another way. We've built a system that we call on-chain DNA that is designed to differentiate from real users and bots. Spending years helping users to make sense of their portfolios, we've built a pretty comprehensive understanding of what's happening on-chain. And utilizing this insight, we are in a pretty good spot to know who the real users are.
Keep going.
I'm trying to remember. I think that was the best one because I actually improvised and did not say whatever is written there. Yeah. All right, anyways, on-chain DNA is available to Zerion wallet users from day one, and we are going to make it open to all builders in the near future. So, okay, got it.
And action.
So Yasin, what does all that mean for the Zerion wallet users?
We've built already the best wallet on mobile, which is also available on desktop through the extension. But we realized by bundling the wallet and the chain, we could do much more. We started by removing the gas friction. Basically, what it means for you is that when connecting the Zerion wallet with ZERÐ Network, you don't have to bother about gas fees anymore. You will be able to interact with any dApp, mint NFTs, trade, send tokens, gas-free. On-chain DNA is the new upgrade for the Zerion DNA, which is our historic dynamic PFP, which is also the second biggest collection on Ethereum. On-chain DNA is what allows us to offer free transactions while fighting abuse from spammers. It is a representation of your on-chain footprint that proves us that you are a legit user while preserving your anonymity. Removing the gas friction is just the first step. Your Ethereum accounts will get more powerful as they become smart contract accounts on ZERÅ Network. We will progressively roll out new wallet features that will both increase security and improve your experience. For example, by enforcing 2FA when a transaction exceeds a certain amount. And of course, all of that while staying 100% self-custodial. On-chain DNA makes it the only ecosystem inhabited by real users. From a builder and creator perspective, this is especially powerful because they will reward a strong community of users performing real actions instead of wasting money and time rewarding bots and ephemeral activity. We strongly believe that all those improvements are key to offering a seamless experience and unlocking mainstream adoption.
And cut. Okay, this is nice.
Let's talk about why we even decided to build a network in the first place. The fundamental argument of why we're here is that we believe in a world where people have true ownerships of their assets, identities, and data. From the moment we started building Zerion in 2019, our team has been all in on creating the best user experience for you. We succeeded in making it more accessible and friendly to interact with DeFi protocols, trade meme coins, or mint your favorite NFTs. The internet opened up amazing opportunities for billions of people to create and express themselves. But centralized platforms made it possible at the expense of monopolizing our data. At Zerion, we call ourselves self-custodial humans for a reason. We believe in a fundamental connection between freedom and ownership. Ownership unlocks freedom, and our mission is bring it back. These days, on-chain removes many of the barriers preventing people from being true owners. With Zerion, we are taking the next step to make it easier than ever to own and build on-chain. Was it okay?
Yeah, I think we have it. Yeah, perfect. Okay, guys, let's move on.
Yeah.
And action.
Developers are, one more, sorry, are at the heart of what we do. Developers are at the heart of what we do. Our goal is to provide you with the best user experience when building on ZERÅ Network. So, why should you build on ZERÅ? Firstly, it's incredibly easy to get started building on ZERÅ. If you're familiar with the ZK Sync ecosystem, we benefit from having a similar documentation with just a few lines of code for you to go from idea to deployment. Secondly, you can get started and leverage the best-in-class data through the Zerion API, which powers many of your favorite DEXs and wallets that you use every day, like Rainbow, Safe, Wallet Connect, and more. With a single API, you can get all of your on-chain NFT positions, your DeFi positions, your portfolio, and your transaction history across all of your favorite networks, all in human-readable language. What's more, we're happy to give developers deploying on ZERÅ Zerion API grants to subsidize your costs and deploy faster on the ZERÅ Network. Thirdly, building on ZERÅ Network means that you'll get priority access to Zerion's user base of over 300,000 active Web3 citizens and our ecosystem of dApp partners. What's more, you also get priority placement in our mobile wallet and our web apps. For the first time, you can deliver a completely gasless experience to your users, meaning you can make your dApp more affordable and seamless. The possibilities to build are really endless. Imagine minting your favorite NFT with 0 fees. You could expand that and take that concept to DeFi, to gaming, and to a lot more. So show us what you can build on ZERÅ.
Okay, cut. That's good. Good job. So we're done with your part here. So now we are moving script. Well, what's in the
Let's go
script?
to Igor.
Now that we've convinced you to build on ZERÅ, we would like to share some of the initial dApps joining our ecosystem from day one. We worked with leading builders across the on-chain space to offer a variety of dApps and development tools. This list includes several DEXs, NFT and social apps, Quest platforms, and many more. And lastly, since ZERÅ is powered by ZK Stack, any EVM dApp can easily support our network in just a few clicks. And now, I'm gonna show you a quick demo of how to do this. No, zero demos. Just go and check out our docs. And I'm gonna join the party.
My mom is proud. Everyone's sucking a nut.
Look, I know this has been a lot of information. We've thrown a lot at y'all, and thanks a lot for sticking around. But we kind of debated whether or not we should even tell you, but I swear you're going to want to stick around for this. So we got one more thing to tell you. So now that I've got your attention, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about how we're going to reward dApps and users on Zero. With Zero, we wanted to create the most fun and rewarding experience on chain. For users, what that translates to is that the Zerion DNA NFT is going to center around the entire loyalty program that's going to reward them as they go and explore Zero ecosystem. Zerion DNA is an NFT that we launched back in 2022 with the launch of our mobile wallet and has become the second largest NFT collection on Ethereum after ENS. So the DNA is essentially going to have a series of levels. Everyone starts at 0 on ZERÅ Network. But after that, every on-chain action is basically going to accumulate XP over time that increases your level and gives you more rewards and perks inside the Zero ecosystem. For dApps, we really want to create an experience where they can earn, and this extends to creators as well. We need these people to create a thriving ecosystem, and the way that we're going to do that is by giving them incentives and benefits as they go along and as they create more value for the network overall. So we're not stopping just with rewarding users on Zero. We think that on-chain creators need a stable and viable way to actually benefit from being part of an ecosystem. And that's what we're trying to create with Zero. So if you're a game developer, dApp builder, artist, musician, anything, any kind of on-chain creator, we want you to be able to have a real way to thrive and build a stable revenue source on-chain. And that's going to happen with Zero.
Well, that's good. Yeah.
Okay.
I think you...
Yeah, I got it. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Damn.
We can actually make it the take. You know? You can just keep rolling.
It's not good. I got to do it again.
Did you mention the enjoyable bit?
Yeah, I should talk about enjoyable, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to just come in and do it? Like let's rap with you. Let's rap together.
We're just melting here.
Yes.
All right. So it's been a long day.
It's been a tough few months, huh?
Yeah. I don't know what to say. Don't move away from the. We gotta do it. We gotta do it. So should we wrap this up? It's been a pretty long day. Yeah, we've been hard at work to get this in your hands. We've talked about Gas's experience.
We talked about on-chain DNA.
Right, and how we can reward creators for making the ecosystem thrive, and how we can reward you for actually being part of the Zero ecosystem. And I guess the key takeaway for us is that we just want people to love being on chain. That's what we care about. We've been here for a while, and we really want that to happen.
Right. I think it's important that we don't just create experiences that are technically interesting or sophisticated, but we want to create things that people actually want to use. So that's what we're going to be building with Zero.
So let's race to Zero.
Oh, ah! We're out of here. I'm done. No more. Zero, I'm out of here. Zero corrections, perfect take, we're done. One more. I felt like it was natural. I did think it was pretty good.